Hello everyone. Today I want to share 8 valuable tips for building wealth. Whether your goals involve purchasing a home, starting a family, or securing your retirement fund, I will guide you on how to create financial security without any worries. While it is commonly said that money cannot buy happiness, what if it could provide you with financial stability and freedom? Building wealth is an achievable endeavor that anyone can pursue with the right mindset and approach. To set you on the right path towards wealth, here are 8 tips. Number 1, prioritize self-investment. The most crucial investment you can make is in yourself. By taking care of your mental and physical well-being, you establish a strong foundation for success in all aspects of your life. A clear mind and a healthy body empower you to face any challenge that comes your way. Additionally, investing in yourself means continually seeking education. The more knowledge you acquire, the better equipped you are to make informed financial decisions. Explore various learning opportunities such as books, online courses, or mentoring programs, and commit to lifelong learning. Number 2, consider investing in a business. When contemplating business investments, keep a few key factors in mind. Firstly, assess the stability of the industry and identify potential growth opportunities. Secondly, research the company thoroughly, evaluating its management and financial history. Next, determine the amount you are willing to invest, setting limits to avoid overinvestment. Lastly, have an exit plan in place, outlining when and at what price you intend to sell your shares. Remember to diversify your investments, spreading your resources across different opportunities to minimize risk, and make intelligent investment choices that foster long-term wealth. Number 3, explore real estate investments. Investing in real estate is a commonly trusted strategy for building wealth. While all investments come with risks, thorough research and wise choices can make real estate a fruitful avenue for growth. Here are a few tips to consider. Conduct extensive research before investing in any property. Understand the market dynamics, know what you are getting into, and grasp the associated risks. Seek guidance from professionals if you lack experience in real estate investing. Their expertise can help you find suitable properties and navigate the complexities of this market. Consider leveraging other people's money to finance your investment, but exercise caution as it carries additional risk. Gain a solid understanding of how leverage works before utilizing it in your investments. Maintain a long-term perspective with real estate investments. While they may take time to yield returns, a well-executed strategy can be highly profitable. Remember that patience is crucial in this endeavor. Number 4, invest in stocks and bonds. Allocating resources to stocks and bonds is an excellent way to build wealth. This approach offers the potential for higher investment returns compared to traditional savings accounts. While risks are inherent in this form of investment, diversifying your portfolio and avoiding putting all your eggs in one basket can help minimize these risks. Here are a few tips for investing in stocks and bonds. Start with a small amount of money. You don't need a substantial initial investment. Even a few $100s can be sufficient to get started. Consider utilizing a robo-advisor if you are uncertain about where to begin. These automated investment platforms can help you build a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds aligned with your financial goals. By implementing these tips, you can embark on a path to wealth creation that aligns with your aspirations and risk tolerance. Remember to stay informed, remain patient, and make thoughtful investment decisions along the way. It's crucial to review your investments regularly to ensure they are performing well. If necessary, make adjustments to stay on track towards your financial goals. Number 5, investing in mutual funds is a smart move. These funds pool money from various investors to buy different securities like stocks, bonds, and other assets. Mutual funds offer professional management, relieving you of the burden of selecting individual stocks and monitoring investments. They also provide diversification, safeguarding against losses if one security declines in value. Moreover, mutual funds tend to be cost-effective, with no additional fees charged. Number 6, saving money is essential for wealth building. Automating your savings through direct deposits from your paycheck into your savings account makes it effortless. Creating and sticking to a budget helps track your spending, identify areas to cut back, and save more. Additionally, save windfalls, such as bonuses or tax refunds, to quickly boost your savings. Lastly, invest in yourself by learning about investing and growing your money, empowering you to make wise decisions and increase your wealth over time. Number 7, living below your means is a powerful strategy for building wealth. Spend less money than you earn and save or invest the difference. Develop a budget to gain control over your spending and allocate your money towards financial goals. Leave room for unexpected expenses in your budget. Automate transfers from your checking account to your savings account for seamless savings growth. Embrace a frugal lifestyle, even if you're not a student, by cutting back on non-essential expenses and luxuries to focus on saving and investing for the future. Number 8, in summary, building wealth requires saving diligently, investing in appreciating assets like stocks, real estate, or mutual funds, and diversifying your investments. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial success. Thanks for watching. Never forget to like, comment, and share to the video. And remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.